Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by opening Apple Music and going straight to Listen Now. That's where shared activity and friend playlists appear. Make sure you're signed in and have allowed sharing in settings so friends can show up. Once done, scan the top and the For You sections for a Friends or Shared Playlists card. Those are Apple's entry points. If you use family sharing, Apple surfaces family-created lists too, which helps you find collaborative playlists faster. Next, you'll look through For You and Friends activity to spot shared playlists. These live near personalized recommendations because Apple links social features to your profile. Tap a friend's name to open their profile and view any playlists they've made public. If you can't see it, use search and type their name plus the word playlist. That narrows results. Make sure their privacy settings allow sharing. Private profiles won't expose playlists, which is why you sometimes can't find them. Finally, save the playlist by tapping Add or the plus button so it appears in your library. Following the friend ensures you get new lists they publish. Once saved, organize it into a playlist folder if you want quick access. If the friend playlist is missing, check sharing and privacy in settings and make sure both of you run the latest Apple Music version. Outdated apps or disabled sharing are the most common blockers. If that fails, sign out and back in to refresh connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.